I'm Dr. Karupaya. I'm the Additional Director and Site Head for the center called NATRACS, that is National Automotive Test Tracks. This center has been set up under the project called NATRIP. This has been funded by Government of India to support the growing Indian automotive industry. We have an automotive proving ground spread over 3,000 acres of land. In fact, we are proud to say that this is Asia's largest proving ground, and it is one of the largest in the world as well. As far as our center is concerned, in addition to evaluate the automotive performance, we are also interested in evaluating the safety, be the vehicle safety or the passenger safety or the environmental safety. When I talk about the environmental safety, the automotive emission is one which is bothering the entire industry. Of course, we have the facility for that. And next is the noise pollution. As far as reduction of noise is concerned, it's always more efficient to reduce it at the source level. To do this, government on its part brings in legislation. Our noise track, in fact, is a unique noise track, I must say, which has two ISO test surfaces, one compliant to the old standard and the other compliant to the new standard as well.
A vehicle is equipped with the three sensors. It's RPM, kick down and the speed sensor. These sensors will give you the detailed information when the test is going to be performed. At what speed vehicle enter, at what was the wind speed at that point of time, what was the engine RPM at that point of time. All the data will be transferred from the telemetry unit to the vehicle ground station. Apart from that, SimCenter Solutions gives us a detailed reporting structure. It is a very user-friendly structure where there are inbuilt standards which will help you to standardize the data which is required for the specific measurement. This pass-by noise system is not only used for the entire vehicle noise measurement. It gives us the vehicle aggregate level measurement also, like exhaust pipe, then near engine RPM, a tire noise. The aggregate level information will help us to decide where we have to be very specific on the measurement part. Initially, it was to the sound level measurement where just is a pass and go. Either it's pass or go. But with this SimCenter pass by noise measurement, you can define the spectrum of the noise, get it analyzed, do the engineering and get it resolved. So as a development test center, this system helps us a lot in interpreting the data and serving the automobile industry in a better way on the noise reduction front.
With this unique test track, the noise test track, compliant to both the ISO old standard and the new standard, and availability of the comprehensive test instrumentation which we have received from Mrs. Siemens, we are able to conduct all sorts of tests like the interior noise measurement or the pass-by noise measurement or the stationary noise measurement or the rolling noise measurement. Of course, with this we are able to meet all the homologation requirements, but we don't want to restrict to that alone. We would like to go in for acoustic source quantification, wherein we are able to identify and quantify the various noise sources. Thereby, we can serve the industry to reduce the noise emitting from different sources. As a next step, we would also like to use the simulation software, wherein we can predict the noise emitted from the vehicles and various systems, and thereby we can reduce the development time and cost. Of course, we would like to collaborate with Mrs. Siemens, who has software capability and the expertise to help us to serve the industry.